Good morning, everyone. It's not Monday, actually. Happy Wednesday, guys. How are you? How's your morning so far? Good morning, good morning. It's Wednesday. Exactly so. My morning was amazing. Thank you for asking. Hello, guys. Good morning. NVIDIA all-time high, NVIDIA bullish. So yeah, we can talk about NVIDIA today before market open. Hello, guys. Good morning. Why your morning was boring? I woke up as always at 4:45 a.m., went to the gym, came back, cook food for kids to school. So yeah, it was busy morning as always. Good morning, guys. Didn't take the sell on NQ. I don't really trade NQ. Okay, guys. Yesterday I was trying to long twice on ES. I don't it was lunchtime, I believe. I don't remember. I took two losses yesterday. I was bullish yesterday on gold, on ES. On ES. I want to see Asia high. You know this. I said it many times yesterday, and I was trying to long twice in this mess. Around this mess. Stopped out twice. And then I just turned off my computer and I saw this move up. I was like, what is going on? Anyway, it is what it is. Yesterday, I was so confident ES needs to go to Asia high. I didn't look for shorts. Instead, I didn't look for trades on NQ. Can we look on gold? Absolutely. In a moment. I didn't look for shorts on ES once again. I didn't care about NQ at all. Good morning. All I knew, I would like to long to all-time high, to Asia high on ES. And I was like, okay, let me try. I entered somewhere here. I stopped out. I entered somewhere here. Try again. Somewhere here. I don't remember. And this mess. Stepped out and I was like, well. I was like, beautiful. It's okay. It's okay. It is what it is, right? Good morning, Jack. Hello. So what about bias on ES and NQ? Kind of hard to say. I'm pretty sure NVIDIA is bullish. At this point, hard to be bearish on NQ, right? So overall market is bullish, but I was looking for overall structure, that happened from Asia to New York session, and it's quite boring. So I'm not quite sure about the bias yet for NQ and ES. We have some further swings, so maybe let's see what we have on one chart. I will talk about gold because gold is way interesting than ES and NQ. So on 1 hour chart, we have hourly OB, which I don't mind to see. Yeah. I'm not sad because of losses anymore. I don't really care about them. I was annoyed yesterday. Once again, loss is loss. I'm totally fine with this. But I was annoyed yesterday simply because I felt like I'm just trying to chase the price. But in reality, the setup was obvious in both cases, but both losses. I didn't know what to do, honestly. I felt like I did my best to long this. I didn't see any other entries. And I was like, okay, it's not for me. Then I will try again tomorrow. Main task for me, main goal is to stay away from recovery. Loss is loss. I'm not going to recover this loss. I will come back tomorrow, right? So I'm going to just accept this, right? So as you can see, no, you cannot see this. I took $480 yesterday loss. I took two losses. So basically my loss was around like a bit more than $200 per trade, which is nothing with one mini contract. Like 4 points. Okay, it was just hard market, I guess, because I did my best. So I highlighted on ES and NQ hourly OB. So I don't want to see price going there to this hourly order block. We have volume imbalance on ES. So at this point, if NQ wants to respect hourly OB, we may respect hourly volume imbalance on ES. So 2 key levels over here. I'm not interested about, I have no interest in DXY. Come on. This level and this level. 6468.50 and 539.25. Oh, you made 6K yesterday. Oh, that's nice. Good job. You know, I always look for low risk trades. I mean, with small stop loss. And it was my mistake probably yesterday. So I will look for ES to drop to this level and this level. If 5 minutes smart money reversal from this level, I will look for long back to the range. Here and here. Maybe daily open retest. But first would like to see slightly lower. Let's talk about gold trade. Guys, who took this long on gold? Someone took this trade? Guys? Me? Oh, that was brilliant trade. I took with 15 micros. I had 2 micros as my runner. I just wanted to see this highs taken for my runner. As I stopped out in profit somewhere here, like I entered over here. I mean, fine, I'm going to show executions in a moment. Let me explain the reason. As you can see, I had like level bullish above this level. I'm going to explain why I was bullish at this level. You keep waiting for the test, but the test happened over here. I was waiting for the test as well. Okay, guys, I'm going to explain my reason why I took this trade. I will show you executions right after this. And then you can share with me what you saw there. Because once again, my final target still remains higher. I still would like to see these highs. Just my runner stop in profit, so I didn't take any other trades after this. Okay, let me explain. I'm going to hide drawings right now. So what happened over here? See this, guys? We got sweep, we got sweep. So it's confirmation of bullish trend so far. It's trying to reverse. So order block, respected, sweep. Order block, respected, sweep. So basically we have propulsion block, and every single time when I created propulsion block, it was respected, right? At this point, I felt like, okay, we inside bullish trend, maybe short-term bullish trend, but we're trying to respect every single bullish PDR and daily. So far, I'm going to look for probably long. I guess on Monday, I said I am bullish on gold, but I was quite bearish on silver. It was a bit tricky for me, but as I said on Monday, once again, I was bullish on gold from the very beginning. My internet stopped working yesterday. ITNT or Spectrum guy cut the cord and it stopped working at all. Then we were waiting for ITNT guy to fix this. So yeah, perfect. Anyway, right now I have 2 internet connection like ITNT and Spectrum. So in case one stopped working, I have another one. So once again, we had bullish trend on daily, and that's why I was looking for long from here. But obviously, this information not enough for me to say, well, I would like to long simply because we trace. No. After this, I switched on forward chart, and what I saw, we got sweep, we have potential sweep, and why I said, let me bring my drawings back. Why I said I would like to be bullish above this level. So what this could mean? Since we have potential for sweep, I need to get 15-minute order block to confirm the sweep. And this is what I said over here. If it's going to break above this level, I will be bullish. That's it. I was bullish. Overall, I'm still bullish to this level, of course. Since we got the closure, I would like to see break above this level. But it wasn't the reason of my trade. Once again, on daily, we respected propulsion block. And what happened on hourly? We retraced down to this hourly OB. So 1, 2, 3 sequence of done close candles right over here, right? After this, we got potential sweep. And this potential sweep was confirmed on 5-minute chart over here. right? Also, if not mistaken, I'm going to show you something. We got 30-minute sweep as well. So basically, we got potential 30-minute sweep and hourly sweep, but I didn't use order block on gold because on micro gold we got order block early. So we got the closure above down close candle, but we didn't get the closure above down close candle on gold itself, right? So I was using this one. I was waiting for the test, and let me show my executions over here. I was waiting for the test. I entered, then added again. I closed, I guess it was 7 micros. Okay, it was 7 micros at 2R. See this 2R? I closed 2 and 5 micros then. And my final target, not final target, another level was over here. So basically, first internal buy side. As you can see, I closed right at this internal buy side. I put my stop loss at this swing low, a bit higher. It stopped me out on my runner, but my final target was here. So yeah, just about to run there. It's okay. But I guess everyone took this trade. You know, yeah, great question, Alex, about if I was scared about this. No, I wasn't, because every single time frame supported bullish bias. And since we got the test of hourly OB, this blue line, hourly OB, we got potential sweep on hourly and 30-minute sweep, on potential sweep on hourly and 30-minute chart. It didn't make any sense to break this low initially. And I was like, okay, we retraced to this OB on 5-minute chart and 3-minute chart on gold. It was big order block, so I didn't wait. I didn't want to enter over here. I was like, if it's going to retrace back to this range, I will enter. That's it. Got my $600 on my straight to funded accounts. Oh, equalos. Oh, you still in this trade. So as you can see, I just I had just runner, 2 micros left on this trade. And I was aiming for these highs. I was like, I'm going to just trail my stop loss. I will trail. And I was like, maybe it's not going to sweep me over here, just going to go to my TP. But they said, we are going to stop you at your runner. Next time, Dasha. It's okay. Yesterday, 2 losses, today's win. Overall green. I have straight to funded from Funding 6 and TradeView. So once again, I started my top-down analysis this morning when I saw this picture on daily. We got sweep. Every single time it respected propulsion block, propulsion. And I saw zero reason, at least I see still like 0 reason to short this. And for now, I cannot short this because every single bullish PD on daily respected. But what can actually invalidate this? So we have potential sweep, right, at previous day high level. We really need to get strong displacement from premium array, so basically from OT of this range. So basically right now we're moving from discount to premium. And really, if I want to be bearish, I would like to see like strong rejection from OT of this range. That's it. So for now, I cannot short this. Even if it wants to drop, it's not enough of this pump. We need to take at least buy side over here. But once again, from this high to this low, I would like to highlight OTM. And if it wants to drop from this, wants to drop lower, I mean, like to these lows maybe, we need to respect OT with strong displacement. Let me read your message, George. 751. Let me see. 751. Oh, you entered here? It's okay. It's okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. was okay to enter here, I guess. It's gold futures. Yeah, I'm a bit annoyed right now to see it going to this buy side liquidity level. Come on, gold. What was the point to the trace here? Like this fair value gap? Well, it was only 2 micros left on this trade. So no complaints. I traded 15. Yeah, seems like they expected this fair value gap. Because my initial stop loss when I was trailing was at this week, right below this fair value gap. That's okay. No complaints, you know. Oh, you didn't chase? Okay. Well, it's okay. I mean, like, who cares? It's like 4 points difference. With 2 micros, it's nothing. Just overall, once again, it's not about money right now. It's just about to see, like, I really want to see this buy side, and they just tapped me out on my runner. I was checking silver this morning. It was garbage, unfortunately. I'm based on drone liquidity and order flow. So you can you explain me if 15-minute PD ray presents in our position so you can trade? Oh, you mean okay? Let me see. You know, just I see nothing. For example, like ignoring all drawings that I have on hourly and 4 chart, I'm not going to lie, I wouldn't long if I just was watching 15-minute chart. It's quite choppy to me. I feel like it's really not enough information for me to long of this 15-minute OB. I hate when we have 15-minute internal order block. So basically order block inside order block. Yeah, I'm not going to lie right now. If I saw this 15-minute chart and nothing else, I wouldn't probably trade this. This order. I was talking about this order block, internal order block. Like, I don't know. Once again, I hate when we have order block inside order block. So basically, sorry guys, lots of drawings, I know. Yeah, I wouldn't long this. Oh, I don't have phone in my office right now. I will check after Steam if you don't mind. I will check. Yeah, not enough information. Well, let's see what will happen next. What level I would like to see? I said I would like to see OT. Why I deleted? I would like to see 34, 35.90. Like 2 points higher. Yeah, let's see if we pump 2 points higher. Once again, if you just joined, I was talking about longs that I took on gold this morning. 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart, it's the same idea. So this trade, and trade at the test of a 3-minute OB. Let me use drawings. At the test of this OB. Edit again. Entered 10 micros and added 5 micros. Closed 2R. So trade 2R was based on micro. Like as you can see, I had to close at 30.2. I closed at 30. And my final target was based on, not final target, second target was based on internal liquidity level here. I closed another partial here. And I had 2 micros left on my runner. As you can see, they stopped me in profit my runner and went to my final TB. It's okay. Once again. By the way, it's funny, guys, because I keep saying myself, like every single morning, okay, Dasha, you see your performance on NQ and ES. Dasha, you are not going to trade ES and NQ. Dasha, please follow your rules. You are not going to trade ES and NQ. You see your performance there. Don't touch this. And I had like pretty much solid the August and middle of July on gold. I had only one losing trade. And I actually blew Apex account just trading NQ and ES. And I knew like my performance is not best, but I still trading this. Even yesterday, I was like, I'm bored. I'm going to trade ES inside that garbage. And 2 losses again. And once again, I'm not sad about my losses. I just annoyed. I cannot follow my own rules. That's extremely annoying. I know my performance is nice on any other market, but not on NQ and ES. Just don't touch this. Yeah, just stick to gold. But I'm like, I'm not going to when I go on Twitter, I see lots of people trade ES and NQ, and I'm like, I'm missing something? What I'm doing wrong? Because I'm not going to lie. When I see people like see perfect executions, when I see this market in real time, it's like garbage. Yeah, I know this strategy works amazing. And this week I will post backtest session on gold. Anyway, from September 1st, I will stream a PM session as well. You know, PM and gold like are not friends, but I will try to look for trades on ES and NQ because PM is way better than IM session. Yeah, it just yeah, NQ is shit. So unfortunately. Okay, as I said before on gold, sorry guys, let me switch in my screen. So as I said before on gold and ES, I'm watching to drop to this hourly OB and hourly volume imbalance. Even today, I said to my husband, like, I'm really consistent on gold, like pretty much profitable. I see my results, it's amazing, like, but why I destroy this performance by trading NQ? I'm not saying like NQ is not tradable. If it's hard for me, why I still trade this? It's a great question. I know. Maybe because it's summer, you know, it's kind of slow. It's quite choppy. Because like last year, I was pretty much nice on NQ and ES, especially on NQ. Anyway, let's see how we can respect. Let's try analyze. I have evaluation. So in case I want to trade, guys, remind me to trade evaluation. Let me connect because I bought my funded futures evaluation. Scale plan. I have scale plan evaluation. So in case I want to trade something on Q, I will trade evaluation. It's going to be better than trade to funded accounts. Once you stream I will stream AM and PM session every day. I will stream both sessions, actually. Yeah, I need to ask my husband. But he's always annoyed when I say, like, I took a loss on ES again, or gold, not gold, ES and NQ again. He's like, what? Why? So I'm watching right now ES and NQ to drop slightly lower. So key level is 539.25 on NQ right now. Even lower, you know, maybe min threshold. 511.50 and volume imbalance on hourly on ES. To steam PM session, most likely from 1 to 2:30 PM. This time window between 1 and 2:30 PM. But it's going to be Monday to Friday, every single day. Yeah, guys, I'm going to be annoying every single day. You're going to see me more than your family. It is what it is. But let's see. I didn't trade PM for a long time. I was trying to trade 2 days ago short on ES. It was good. I'm kidding, but yeah. From Monday to Friday, from September 1st, 101% guaranteed information. But yeah, let's see how PM is going to be. So I hope it's going to be nice. Unfortunately, gold is so slow in PM session, but maybe we can catch something. Who knows? Okay, that's our chart. Let's pull projections. From swing low to swing high. So basically the very last move up before reversal. What I'm doing right now. Oh. Yeah. Guys, look how from the range between 2 and 2.5, we got retracement to the range between 1 and 1.5, right to fair value gap. Let's see if we hit for standard deviation because it's right at hourly OB. So I do like this. I hope we may get this move down to hourly OB. This means at the open, we need to stay within this order block range. We must stay below 575.50 to consider short, even if it wants to retrace something like this. Maybe just like this, but not higher than this level to short this. I don't want to predict targets, you know. NQ pretty much unpredictable recently, so I don't want to predict something. Just watching hourly OB so far. Let's see how it goes. Nvidia is bullish. Definitely bullish on Nvidia. Earning today, right? So it may just actually bounce hard, like to the moon. College student because I'm college student. Student of market, right? Aftermarket, I believe. Where is the ball? It's somewhere there. Yeah, overall bullish. Because Nvidia is so bullish, so hard for me to be bearish at this point. What can happen? Actually, we can retrade before earning, like down. But like not necessary to see this. M2 model for long will be for long. Preferable to get smart money reversal somewhere from this range. Let me highlight this range. And I'm going to type something like this. Ideally, to get smart money reversal here. Exactly, same one is going to be here. Something like this. Yeah, Nvidia earning today, so I believe it's going to be to the moon. But what can actually happen? The retracement down first. No bullish, no trade. Yeah, let's see if we get smart money reversal from these areas. M2 model will be for long. I already see this. Lines up with bias, overall bias. So smart money reversal needs to be from this area. Just not sure where I want to enter first. Let me delete some levels. Possible OB for just for now is here, but yes, still above possible reversal area. Let's see. I mean, that's fine, I guess, because London low taken on both. Let's see where we dropped on hourly. Yeah, maybe that's enough. Let's see where if we create. Let me switch by zone TV chart to compare NQ with M and Q. Gold, what you want to see there? I discussed my trade before on gold. I was watching for buy side liquidity taken. Nice reversal, by the way, from here. We have potential sweep. We have 5-minute change in the state of delivery. Retracement down to discount of this range. So basically, OT maybe as well. Like this, maybe. Like OT. Don't want to look for big reversal just yet. So watching for yes to drop to this area as well, or I'm going to wait for empty model to long this. Once again, I already have my winning trade on straight to funded accounts. So I have evaluation. I have funded accounts with my funded futures, but I got evaluation scale plan. I need to make 6K somehow, so I will trade evaluation today in case I see setup on NQ and ES. Yeah, evaluation for AM session on NQ. After winning trade, like why not? Base hit already. Yeah, evaluation for today. Let's see how it goes. We have order block, like we have empty model right now on AS. We don't have this on NQ, so going to wait more. I'm not going to care about this one just for now. Going to care about this once NQ can offer 2-minute OB. Current OB is going to be above this line. Oh, you passed your account. Congratulations. Sizing on 15 micros. I traded 15 micros today. Let me guess. I cannot see YM. But YM went to the moon because we're looking for a long. Am I right? Since we're looking for long on NQ and yes, YM already went to the moon. I cannot see YM chart. I'm just predicting. I can see the future. Am I right about this? Let me see. Of course. Like, see? I can see the future. Or past. It's classic picture on YM. If I want to long NQ and ES, YM already pump. If I want to short NQ or ES, YM already dropped. Anyway, let's focus right now. We have empty model on ES just for now. We don't have empty model on NQ just yet. But, like I'm going to wait a bit more. Why I don't want to long ES at this point? First reason is NQ still inside bearish trend, but it's okay. But since NQ still inside bearish trend, like didn't offer any change in the state of delivery, ES is above the zone where I would like to see smart money universal, which makes me feel like, okay, it's better for me to wait for the closure to long this ES or NQ, or wait for ES to drop to this level if NQ doesn't want to provide OB here. It's struggling, so basically, once again, I will look for potential long opportunity above this blue line. We got OT. By the way, nice reaction from buy side, like to the tick. I took this trade from here to here. Never was in drawdown. I even added to my position. We got potential sweep on hourly. OB was here. Let's see where is 2R, by the way, just interesting. To R is going to be here. Right below OT of this range. Let's see if ES can offer a 2-minute OB. It's going to be empty model at this point. By the way, stop loss not going to be huge. It's not trade yet. We need to get the closure first. I'm just wondering if it's going to close. Don't long this. I mean, like, I don't see empty model just yet. 2 hours going to be right at Asia high. That's good. No entry yet. We need to get the closure first. Limit sell. You're talking about NQ? On gold? No, it isn't anymore. It's inside OT. We don't have any news. That's bad. But still, would like to get empty model for long. The issue is we don't have smart money reversal yet. As I pointed over here, I would like to get smart money reversal. Not reaction, but smart money reversal. Good morning. Strong reversal. Like, not always, but yes, you're right about this. 73. I'm not ready for a huge drop just yet on gold, but totally possible. What level do you have there? I have previous day low level at 96.1. Don't you mind to share with me what you see at 73? I will highlight on my chart as well. Good morning, guys. Who doesn't? Good morning. I already took winning trade on gold. Waiting for a trade on my funded accounts. Straight to funded accounts. I know where he's here, so maybe he's busy, so took this long. Probably is going to close. No closure. Are you serious? What a joke. Market maker buy model on gold. Hello. Good morning. So, still no empty model. By the way, SMT. So NQ still does not want to provide structure, bullish shift in structure, so going to just wait. Quite not in sync. You trade euro. Okay. You trade Forex. I got it. We trade futures. First model. From what level you looking to be bullish? I mean, long again. We're inside OT right now. OT is strong area on gold. Let me show you. This OT. We're trying to respect OT of this range. Look how we're trying to respect 30-minute fair value gap, and we got immediate rebalance. $490.89. Trust me. Oh, okay. We trust you. Could you please? I will check if you want, but not right now. Yeah, I don't really want to short gold. I mentioned over here that I would like to be bullish above this level, and we're still above this level, so I cannot be bearish at any point. We got 15-minute shift in structure. I just cannot say like I would like to short gold just yet. Not enough information to short this. Maybe scalp, okay, but not short this. And Q still struggling to offer shift and structure. Obviously, it's not long opportunity. Oh, nice, Jack. Nice to see this. This week I will post the video about backtest session on gold. I will show you how I analyze gold, NCL, and silver, how I use potential 30-minute and hourly sweep. Just will backtest this to show you how I do this. Session is going to be just about backtest, nothing else. So in Q still bearish. Why I'm just trying to break the roof. ES also quite bullish. But if I see setup, I will enter on evaluation once again. Not going to trade my funded accounts anymore. Happy with my trade, so on morning trade. It was my morning trade on gold, just in case you're interested in this. My 2 micros runner stopped in profit, but I was aiming exactly for this level. It's okay. Made $600 on straight to funded accounts. You know, I'm not friends with NQ at all. Activate. It's still too early, so guys, we're trying to be patient. See that, guys? We have 0 confirmation to long this. Negative. Just don't long when you see, like, once again, if you see it's about to break this, but still, no, nothing. Please don't touch this. It was close, but only weakness you can see. So new order block is going to be sequence of down close candles. Steaming for 9 months? 8 months? 9 months. I'm steaming for 9 months only. Yeah. Not even a year. Final drop. Preferable to drop on yes to this area, so it's going to be better to see longs from here than from here. Yeah. Why it's stuck there? Because there we could get a change in the state of delivery, change in order flow. Yeah, gold. I mean, yeah, there's nothing to see there. What is going on? We got a test of which chart is this? Oh, that's 5-minute chart. Okay, got it. Breaker block. Seems like 5-minute breaker block reaction and 3-minute fair value gap. Are you looking for sell on gold right now? I will look for sale below this level. This level. Just need to break this level. Because as long as we above, I would like to be bullish, more bullish. But nice reaction from fair value gap, right? And 5-minute breaker block. Feels like unicorn. I remember you said 418. Yeah. You can see the future as well. Yeah, good job, by the way. I took 2 losses yesterday, so. But I felt like my executions were nice yesterday until it hit my stop loss. Yeah. Let's see if we may break this level. You said, can you give me the price, please, for gold? Actually, I can separate. You said 33.73. Oh, okay. 5 point. Okay. Basically, you're watching for sell side? Am I right? This sell side liquidity? Okay, got it. Yeah, maybe. Especially it's going to be just free fall once you can break this level. Link, yeah. I know Streamlab consider like dot, like link for some magical reason. Great drop. But once again, I'm not going to engage in this drop simply because as I said before, I would like to be bullish above this level. We're about to get the closure, but still struggling. So as you can see, I wasn't in this trade. But yes, we respected fair value gap pretty well. Yeah, almost balance this range over here. Yeah, nice. Failure swing. So basically seems like low resistance to downside. Yeah, would like to have levels on micro gold as well, because sometimes gold and micro gold are different. Is fresh candle? When YM is pumping, ES is pumping, button Q is dropping. No, it's not for me. It's just garbage at this point. I'm wondering, okay, it's basically continuation candle. I'm wondering where is going to be continuation. Probably on 5-minute chart. What time is this? Like 13 minutes left. Okay, guys, let's see if next 13 minutes 13 minutes is going to take this low or not. Because if not, then we'll get another retracement and another attempt to drop. So basically continuation on the next hourly candle. Look, CL. Okay, let's check. You said CL, right? Oh, okay. On CL, my main target is here. It's my target for the last like 2-3 weeks already. Let me add weekly candle. It's continuation. So you guys trying to do top down analysis right now. It's current low of this weekly candle. Okay, I will look for long if we close above this level. Maybe on personal account, not a funded account, obviously. Like it's like swing trading probably. If for our chart is going to close above this blue line, probably we'll try to long something like this. Ideas? I'm going to set alert at this level. So if it's going to trigger, I will look probably for long. It's oil, CL. For swing idea, probably. It's not like for intraday traders. Yeah. If I get the closure, I will look for something like this. So basically, we got weekly sweep, right? So this weekly sweep was confirmed by 4-hour change in the state of delivery. Next candle opened, right? We got weekly open. We got manipulation down so far. If it's going to offer 4-hour order block over here, I will expect to get real range expansion distribution to buy side over here. Oh, you long right now? Okay, good luck. So it's not enough information to swing this yet. You want to tell us we reverse from 489 on Q? SMT, let me check. I will check on Q in a moment. We have also for our SMT with RB. Yeah, just if it's going to close something like this, I hope so. Depends on news as well, you know. If it's going to be bad news, we should pump. It should support idea of this long. Let's see. But I set alert and I will see how we can respect if we get the closure above blue line or not. Yeah, I took a class yesterday. So today is time to study the market again. But anyway, I took a win today, so it's just part of the game. Still, no smart money reversal for some reason. But I believe it can continue dropping until ES will hit this level. Yeah, you can see the future. Share the secret with us. Win on silver was 2 days ago. Yesterday, I only traded ES twice, and I took loss twice. Today, I took long trade on gold, win trade. So, like part of the game. No complaints. As I said, I never said because of losses. I don't really care about them. I mean, not in trade yet. I mean, what to trade? I'm in Q probably, right? 2-minute chart. Since I took a win on my funded accounts, I will look for the trade on NQ, maybe on my valuation scale plan from my funded futures. I got 100K scale plan, 33% off. So I never had 100K account. Time to try this. I always had and have 50K. I have 150K with Stake Profit Trader, and I got my funded futures scale plan. Really interesting how it's going to be. Just bought one to see how it goes. I will buy more because sale ends in 4 days. If I'm going to like this, I need to buy this faster. I'm going to buy more. We just got the closure, by the way, for M2 model. Let's see. First, I'm going to check risk. Like 33 points. Target is going to be high over here. Liquidity. See how we're trying to respect 50% of hourly OB. MNQ, let's see. I'm going to highlight this on MNQ right now as well. Quite fast. Wait, I need to engage in this trade. What we have on 1-minute chart? Let's check real quick. You know, I don't trade 1-minute chart, but maybe we can get some. We have a breaker block We have big SMT between ES and NQ. Unfortunately, ES did not hit my key area for long. If you insist, I'm not a trade yet. We closed above first percent fair value gap. Well, let's see if I can engage in this trade. I also highlighted this 2-minute OB right now on NQ. Only concern, just one single concern for me is ES. Unfortunately, ES never hit my key area. Let's check ES. If ES, I will trade minis. If NQ, I'm going to trade maybe 10 micros. It's like 3-4 points if it's going to close. No, give me 1 second. I'm going to stay on ES just for a second. No closure just yet. MNQ. We got a test of 2-minute order block. Well, good. You know, like, I don't want to see ES lower. But let's see if ES can break this range. I might actually long ES at this point. Not NQ. Let's see. Or NQ, so let's see which one is better. Looking for long right now. Probably yes. Can decide. NQ, yes. NQ, yes. Yeah, probably yes. We look for long probably on yes above the blue line to Asia high. Maybe. Yeah, we'll look for the long on ES. Oh, no, not in trade yet. I'm probably on ES. Trying to figure out which one is better. But guys, I'm going to trade an evaluation. IM session was recently choppy, so I need to pass evaluation. Somehow. Not going to engage in long on in this long on NQ, but probably on yes. I'm wondering if I want to long, yeah, probably above this blue line. Quick scalp for 7-8 points. With minus 1 minute probably. Try to short. You mean you want to short ES? Or NQ? I lost my funded accounts, so Apex funded accounts. I was trying to trade NQ. It was hard for me as well, so that's why probably I would like to trust more ES. I feel like it's a better idea to trust ES more. Oh, by the way, not here. Here. Order block. Sorry, my bad. Again, it's going to be near like 1 hour. On NQ, I see empty model for long. But I would like to trust ES more. We'll probably look for the trade on ES. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to bring some water. Oh, nothing changed. Okay. Do you give away to? Oh, by the way, about giveaway. Tomorrow is guys, let's do tomorrow straight to fund account for giveaway. Thank you for reminding me. Tomorrow, guys, I will do announcement. Tomorrow I will do straight to funded accounts from TradingView. Let's see how many accounts I can do. Two accounts straight to funded. Can you do it tick? I never tried them, so let's do straight to funded accounts tomorrow. TradingView, 2 accounts straight to funded, 25K. Yeah, tomorrow. Can you do a tick trader? Once again, I actually can, but I never trade with them. Never even tried. Honestly, how old are you? Your guess? I need to try them first, so I can give you a review about them. Tomorrow, straight to funded, guys. I also trade straight to funded, so this means you don't need to pass evaluation. You will get straight to funded immediately. Account. How it sounds? Tick trader they have trading drawdown. I guess 31. Close to it. Close to it. I believe. Maybe I'm wrong, but oh no, I'm not in trade. I believe Nvidia will pump today. I will do straight to funded tomorrow. Straight to funded tomorrow, more or less, a bit less. I mean, I'm not sure I can trade evaluation on Nvidia earning. I mean, like, I don't know. I never tried. Let's check gold. As you can see, with this early candles, with previous early candles, they weren't able to take this lows. At this point, we need to get a fresh order block to anticipate continuation lower. It's either going to be retracement, fresh order block, or it's going to be closure here with just a quick drop. So only at 2 p.m. we're gonna find out if it's going to be closure above blue line to swing this, trade. Maybe partial. Yeah, maybe partial at this level. Or not. Here I highlighted M2 model for long, just in case you're interested in this. What car do you drive? Like, it's not like expensive car. Hello, hello. No, I don't like this kind of cars, by the way. No. Yeah, driving Tesla Model Y. I know, I like this car. Yes, I do trade prop firms. I traded today funding ticks, straight to funded ticks account this morning on gold. Right now I am trying to trade evaluation on my funded futures from my funded futures. Pretty much done with funded today, but need to pass evaluation. I don't know if I can trade on Tesla screen buys. Never tried. Oh, I still talk about me. Okay, maybe it was like a couple of months ago. Yeah, Asia high on ES. Would like to see Asia high on ES. All accounts were sent like long time ago. I don't have remain accounts. All was sent. You need to check your emails, guys. I know my best prop firms. It's like top three. If you want to ask me about top three, it's going to be my funded futures, Tradify, and Take Profit Trader. That's top three. Next, it's going to be funding ticks and epics. Then maybe funded next. You want to ask me why not Top Step? Because I did like Top Step, but they stopped working with TradeAway, so I don't really like Top Step X platform. The like Project X platform. It's just not for me, so I don't trade with them anymore. Easy baby. Yeah, I mean like it's kind of slow recently. I know. I did trade Upstep X, but you know, it's still hard for me to switch. Like when I trade, I need to execute only on one platform and just copy my trades. But when I had Upstep and I still had like Apex, my funded futures, other accounts on my NinjaTrader, I had to execute on both platforms at the same time. It's hard for me. Then I switched to TradeAway, but they said they're not going to work with TradeAway anymore. I was like, okay. Okay, I just once again it's personal preference. They're amazing prop firm, but I need TradeAway. That's it. Yes, I have copier, so with TradeView connection, I can copy as many accounts as I want. That's the issue with TapStep right now. For example, since I blew my Apex accounts last week, they were rhythmic. I'm going to buy TradeView, so I will be able to copy TradeView, Apex TradeView, and any other accounts with this. Copier, I guess it's everyone uses. I'm going to type in the chat. I bought lifetime subscription with them. Yeah, it was mentally hard. I agree with you. It was hard for me either, so. I heard about these copiers, but never tried them. But I saw a review, I guess. Who did this review on YouTube? Don't remember, but I saw a review and it was okay. Like, worth to try. Yeah, I use this for funded and I have like evaluation right now. Did you use project? Yes, I did use. That's why I said like I don't really like this. Yeah, many platforms right now offer no activation fee. For example, Tradify, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Traders. That's why the top 3. So you pay for evaluation, you don't need to pay activation fee. And it's way cheaper. But still they pay. Like, I have no questions about this. Well, let's focus. So we just got 3-minute OB. We got potential sweep. We're trying to respect first upper half of this week. It should be valid trade. I'm wondering where's next entry. Can be closure above this candle. Stop loss. Like it's going to be probably tight stop loss. At least like we got empty model finally today. At least. No, target is 2 hours is right here. So target is going to be buy side. Not sure about any other targets. Asia high on yes. But funny like to see like we exactly got smart money reversal over here on 2-minute chart, as we discussed before. You know, Nvidia is bullish probably for earning. Yeah, and since it's bullish for earning, probably NQ also is bullish. I was looking for smart money reversal from here, so we actually got this. I'm not sure yet if it's going to drop more. I wasn't sure about actually long on ES because I want to see smart money reversal from this area. But I guess that's fine. I know. Feels like maybe that's fine. Contact, yeah, if you want, you can. Send me email if you would like. Oh, you said like everyone keeps saying like Project X is doing great. As I said, I didn't say like Project X is bad like as platform. It's just hard for me to execute on two platforms at the same time. It's easier for me to execute, for example, on NQ, on NinjaTrader, not NQ, NinjaTrader. But it was hard. I had Project X before, like December, like winter, I guess. Also March, April. But it was hard for me really to execute on Tapstep X and NinjaTrader at the same time. I need to monitor, okay, if I close trade over here or it's still like failed to close for some magical reason, I need to look here. It was hard. Not for me, I would say. Yeah, some people saying like it's bad feel. I saw this kind of messages. But yeah. Yeah, for 10 a.m. MT model also valid, yes. I guess it's personal preference, you know? Yeah, I mean, once again, I cannot say like it's bad platform. Some people love this, but some people hate this. I said I didn't like simply because it was hard for me to trade at the same two platforms at the same time. I'm so sorry to see this. Yeah, it's about to hear this. Like, yeah. At least empty model play out today because I know, like last week and maybe first half of this week, it was garbage. It was just chop, and it was hard to trade inside this chop, in my opinion. Okay. Oh, it's OBS for streaming. I guess everyone use OBS. It's free to use. Maybe reverse from here. Let's see. So we have 20-minute fair value gap right at this high internal buy side. Also hourly fair value gap here. Like I would take this buy side. Maybe even daily open and New York midnight open. Since ES already took New York midnight open, maybe I don't mind to see if not New York midnight open, but daily open. First presented. Okay. This one, right? I got it. For streaming, I use OBS. I will check email after stream if you don't mind. Yeah, it's about to test daily open. Yes, approaching previous week high level. Okay, let's see. So if it wants to take previous week high level, I believe NQ wants to take New York midnight open. But daily open, as I always say, is key level. Oh, by the way, guys, forgot to remind you something. Did you see that my funded futures giving away 20,000 accounts? Did you see this? I mean, we should participate, I guess, right? Yeah, I guess that's solid deal. No? It's like 99% guaranteed win. Let me show you. I guess I can actually... No, I'm not going to participate, but I highly recommend to participate for you guys. So basically, look at this. Feels like solid. This means 20,000 traders will get core plan for just $1. Guys, it sounds interesting. Guys, if you would like to participate in this giveaway, you can register and you need to use code LUMI to get account for $1. $1. You understand? Like 20,000 traders, most likely everyone will get this for just $1. It's crazy deal. This means you will get account for $1, and if you're going to pause this, you don't need to pay activation fee. Your account, like overall account, is going to cost you only just $1. Yeah, just for 1 month. But it's $1, come on. Yeah, you have only 1 month to pause this. And if you guys would like to participate, I send you the link. Just fill this form. It's easy to form, just to fill this. So you have like 4 days to do this. Yeah, it's $1 account. Restricted. I'm so sorry about this. Where's the link? Here's the link. Just one. Guys, since it's like 20,000 traders going to win, probably you're going to win. Like 99.9% you're going to win this. It's not working. Let me try again. Oh, I see. Probably should work right now. Just fill this form, I guess. Enter giveaway. Yeah, that's it. It's easier to participate. This. You hope you're going to win? You're going to win. Trust me. Like 20,000 people. You have a chance to figure it like 99%. Yeah. 99%, yeah, to win this. You're gonna win anyway. Like, yeah, you need to answer questions. I'm not going to fill this. I'm going to buy this for regular price because I don't want to take someone's place. Oh, trust me, 20,000 traders. Most likely you're going to win this. Yeah, participate in this, guys. Let me know if you're not going to win for some reason. I will give you account as well. But pretty sure you're gonna win because it's impossible not to win. I don't understand like why it's you're in the country, but because of government, I guess. Not because they want to do this. You don't need to clip this. Just in case you didn't win this for some magical reason, just fill the form first. I'm going to give you account, okay? But pretty sure, like 99% chance to win. 99%. Like, no way. Yeah, government, unfortunately. 20,000 traders, come on. Impossible not to win. You have 100%? Okay. Restricted and yeah, that's not great. But yeah, guys, fill the form. Free to fill this. September 1st, you're going to find out if you want account or not. Oh, it's M2 model. It's M2 model. Nothing else. We were looking for smart money reversal from this area. And as we discussed before, we were looking for M2 model to long from this area. It failed over here. Initially, we want to look for long from this area. But as you can see, just weekend didn't want to close, but closed here. Like just M2 model. I traded straight to fund accounts today. I made $600 on them. Oh, look at gold. Gold saying, no. Look, they didn't close below this line. They said, no, we are not going to close. So as long as we're expecting this level, it's bullish. Oh, did you watch my video about M2 model? I posted this on Saturday. Let me send the link again. All models that are trade available on YouTube. I don't sell anything. Just in case you're wondering about this. This week I will post new video about backtest. Gold model that I trade in gold. Sorry, guys. I feel like I'm sick. Here's M2 model video, guys. Yeah, I'm doing nice this week. I took class yesterday on ES. Yes, my funded futures, yeah, you can trust them. I swear, you can trust them. They're amazing. So last link is about M2 model video. So basically, first part of this video explanation. Let me explain. Last part of this video, backtest. So let's say I pay $1. This means you need to pass your account within 30 days. So within 1 month. You don't need to pay activation fee. So your total cost for account, once again, you need to pass for 1 month, is going to be just $1. How to get this? Let me send link again. That's all a deal. Just in case you want to trade with my funded futures, that's insane deal. Fill the form. Wait for September 1st. You didn't answer. My phone is not here. It's not in office. I guess it's in my bedroom. So you ask me question on Instagram, I'm going to check. My phone is not here, I believe. At least I cannot see him. Yeah. I will check after Steam. I left this in my bedroom today. Yeah, this means sorry about this. So you need to fill this form. I sent just like 1 minute ago. My fund is just right now running like giveaway. 20,000 traders going to win $1 account. This means 99% chance you're going to win this. 99.9% you're going to win this. You're going to find out about this September 1st. So basically in 4 days, they will send you email if you won or not. And if you won, you need to just enter the code like Lumi, and you will get $1 account. So preferable to pass this within 30 days. And within 30 days, and you don't need to pay activation fee. That's it. Sounds amazing. I recently bought 100k scale plan because they're running 33% off just at this moment. Oh, okay. It was just 2R. I'm not sure about higher. Maybe New York Midnight Open. Like, I'm not sure. You know, normally daily open is better for price. Yeah, maybe we'll run Asia High and New York Midnight Open since we took Asia High on ES. But I don't know, like, I wouldn't hold the trade more than daily open. Like SMT? Oil, let me check. For oil, I will wait for the closure of our candle above this level, and probably I will swing this with like 2 contracts, mini contracts, probably with partial at this level, and we'll let it run to this buy side at 66.75. If we are going to get like bad news from the world, it should be like fast delivered to this buy side. Let's see. Let's see if we get the closure. Really wants to get the closure. So need to wait until 2 p.m. to know about this. Friday high. Oh, it's approaching Friday high. It's 3 days. No. You forced me to trade. What was your message about? Let me check. Maybe I can log in on my laptop. Can you send me a message right now? Sorry about it, guys. Send me a message again. I cannot see your. Like, just type hi. There are news about CL. What kind of news? No, I didn't. I can see only 2 messages right now. I see. Sorry about it. I will reply your message after Steam if you don't mind. Everyone can participate. If you are not in a restricted country, you can participate. Oil going up, I know. I need this. My phone is here finally. Okay. So pretty sure if it's going to close on 4 chart above this level, blue line, long partial here, long probably another like partial to this level. But it's swing trade. It's not going to be for 1 day. Maybe it's going to take time. Let's see. I don't know. All trades on evaluation, exactly. Especially on NQ. I'm not doing great on NQ. Never say you're not going to win. If you're going to believe that you're not going to win, you're not going to win. Oh, it's not sweep. It's M2 model over here. And on gold, my trade was based on 30-minute and hourly sweep. But on NQ, it was just M2 model, nothing else. Take profit trader, yes. Maybe slow support, but they're amazing. I never had any issue. By the way, guys. Yeah. Take profit trader running 40% off right now. And if you're going to buy account next until September 1st, with my code, you will enter giveaway for free account for 150K account. Yeah. Let's do this as well. Let me see. Yeah, I can do this. Yeah, see you tomorrow. So let's see. I don't see any bearish signs just yet. I'm wondering if it's going to offer continuation. 5-minute chart, probably. We just got the closure above the done close candle. How are we gonna respect this? Let's switch on 5-minute chart. Asia highs, equal highs. It's 20 points away. I don't trade forex at all. Sometimes futures, like forex futures, but almost never. Sometimes. Okay, thank you. Good to know. So we have SMT right now at Asia high, but in Q, Asia high is equal high, so I don't want to see SMT at this level. I don't trade any pair, forex pair. No. Only sometimes. Guys, are you serious? Guys, did you notice like best setup normally, especially last couple of months, happens until 10:15, and after 10:15 just like garbage. Like garbage. Account blowing price action. Did you notice this? It's either slow delivery, like choppy delivery up, because like we don't trap anymore at all, or just ugly consolidation. Yeah, exactly. Market bullshit profile. Exactly. After this price action, like this. New York, actually stuck at range between New York midnight open and daily open. I got win on funded accounts. Yeah, I would say finally empty model play out today, but on NQ, I will trade only evaluation because, like I'm doing nice on gold. Anything else but not on NQ and ES. And it's going to be a joke, but market makers seeing my, like I trade an unfunded account, and every single time when I engage, they're going for my stop loss. But if I'm going to engage on evaluation, they say like, I don't care. Like it's evaluation. Let her win. But it's funny. I'm just kidding, by the way. You just hate me for no reason. Okay, we took Asia high. It's still approaching Asia high and like slash equal highs. I took total 4 trades this week. 4? I believe so, 4 trades. 2 wins, 2 losses? Or 5 trades. I need to check in my journal. But I know I took 2 losses. Yeah. 4 or 5 trades. Any video games? I wish I like Skyrim video game, and I wish I could play this more. Last time when I was playing it was like maybe 4 years ago, but I still dream about this. Like Skyrim, it's my favorite game. When I was a kid, I was playing this all the time. I know if you know about this game or like this. It's my favorite game. I love it. It's my favorite game, guys. I know like if you know about this, but I do love this. But they like it's like old version, I guess. When I was like 15 or 16, I was playing this game and nothing was changed after this. Like, yeah, but yeah, I love this. How I mark order blocks. I have video about this. Oh, Battlefield, yeah. It's funny, boys. I'm not sure if your dad ever played any video games, but I remember, it's funny, by the way. I remember we had like PlayStation 3 or 4, probably 3. Yeah, 3. My dad was playing Battlefield, and every single time when he like failed, he was killed. I was like, it's time to leave the room. Because obviously I'm going to be the reason of this failure. But yes, me and my sister was watching how he played this. He was playing this, and every single time when he was killed, like, let's go, let's go. It's time to leave. We're going to come back when he's going to restart. Exactly same with my husband, by the way. I remember when he was playing like a couple of years ago. I was watching, and exactly the same situation happened. It's time to leave. I'm not sure if your parents ever played this, but it's funny. It's just funny. Yes, of course. You can copy your trades everywhere. Like, I mean, as many accounts as you want. You can copy your evaluation and fund it at the same time. You can actually group this. Yeah. Yeah, it's Russian accent, yeah. So you're smart from childhood. Exactly. I know how to avoid conflict. By the way, I have let me send you the link, guys. Introduction how to use copier in case you're interested in this. I explained how you can copy, how you can group there. Shorts. I mean, maybe in the future. I wish I was your friend. We can be online friends. Like, why not? Restricted list. I don't know why. Like, it's because of government, probably, right? Not because like my prop firms like, well, okay, we are going to just take this country, and this country. No, it wasn't the reason. It's because of government, guys. Don't hate prop firms because you're in a restricted country. Okay, let's see what is going on so far. Because since Asia high is equal highs, I believe we need to pump higher. We just retraced to 5-minute fair value gap, as you can see. Also, like reaction from 5-minute breaker block. Let's see if we continue pumping because we still don't have 5-minute change in the state of delivery. If it's going to be fake one, I'm going to highlight by black color probably. If it's going to be fake one, should immediately reverse like this, maybe even higher. Yeah, breaker block. And not only breaker block, but also 5-minute fair value gap, right? Exactly. So yeah, Jack. Yeah, so far it's just sweeping, but like, consider overall structure. We don't have 5-minute change in the state of delivery, which not validate this as valid, like hyperability short, right? It's just like so far, I call this like fake change in the state of delivery. So if it's not going to close like this, we should pump first, something like this. I believe Nvidia should pump hard, but hard to predict, hard to know this because we cannot see the future. But if Nvidia is bullish, so most likely NQ is going to be bullish. Like 99% NQ is going to be bullish, right? But at the same time, I'm surprised to see how gold is bullish. Like charts, let me show you. Are pretty much the same. See this? Maybe long over here wasn't that perfect. It actually didn't offer any setup at all. Since gold failed to close above my bullish line, see, I still bullish. It's way more bullish. I agree with you. I'm bullish on gold as well. If gold can pump to 35, 36, 38, it'll be nice. Like, I feel like it still has room to go higher. But also NQ has room to go higher. That's why I'm surprised to see like ES and NQ, gold and NQ are the same direction, same bias. It's pretty much same charts. Great. So we didn't get the closure just yet. I believe you need to pump higher. Second stage? For second, if it wants to be second stage, I don't see second stage like perfect right now. You're talking about like distortion? It's not distortion. We didn't break distortion yet. Like this week. Actually, we did on 1 minute chart. Yeah. Let's see risk projections. But yes, we did. You're right about this. My bad. Because normal distortion around like 2 and 2.5, 2.25, 2.5, somewhere there. It's right at 2 standard deviation. I would pump slightly higher, I would say. There's a bubble. What is bubble? Trade weight. Okay, I got it. Good reaction from breaking block on both yes and Q. 15-minute one. Yeah, exactly same one. Since we got sequence of candles, it's exactly the same one on 5-minute chart. What did you study? Computer science. You know, there is a chance to stay inside consolidation and waiting for earning release, or it's going to be just a bit higher than stuck, like consolidation. Did you like it? No. Let's check NVIDIA real quick. I would like to see all-time high, so guys. Oh, sorry about this chart, guys. Interesting where earnings going to pump because yeah, most likely you take all-time high. It's like I'm wondering about what can happen because it still like has enough time. It's going to be something like this. I know. Maybe not that much. Like closure, shift in structure, retracement down to OT 50%, then long to all-time high. Maybe. 4 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Yeah, at this point in Q also can pump hard. Yeah, I will be surprised to see drop, honestly. Yeah, on gold, as long as we stay above eye levels that I showed you before, so my key level 34, 36, 38. So this range, I would like to see this range. I already said it before. Gold futures, just in case you're wondering about this. But the question if they're going to chop around in waiting for earning, or it's going to pump to Asia high, maybe Friday high, and then consolidate until like 4 p.m. That's the question. Maybe power hour. Because it's already slow, which is, yeah, kind of valid for second stage of reaccumulation redistribution, since distortion must be consolidation. But just wondering if they're going to play any games, you know? Yes, keep creating bullish change in the state of delivery. Do you trade on phone? Yeah, sometimes. Overnight trades like Asia, kill zone trades on phone. Yeah, I mean, like Nvidia approaching all-time high, above all-time high, we don't have any level, so hard to say where we can go at this point. Maybe choppy right now, but still, equal highs higher. I don't stay in trade for the long time. It's 2 hour or nothing. I know I'm not going to close early. I can move at break even, but I'm not going to close early. I will aim for 2 hour and that's it. Like 2 hour, like here, or my long trade on, by the way, was a bit more. I got a bit more, but my partial, like 7 micros off, was taken at 2 hour. Oh, yeah, but when it runs this OT, as I said before, 34, 36, 38, so this range, nice pump on gold. And look at this on 15-minute chart. Once again, it failed to close below this level. Bullish above this level. Be expected, pumped. Nice. Nice move up. But as I said before, I wouldn't short anyway. Look at this. Now, if I trade on phone, it's most likely personal account. I don't trade prop firms on phone because, lots of rules. It's easy to break these rules. Okay, my rule for us taking partial or moving at break even. If I'm up 1.5 hour, I will move at break even. But I will aim for 2 hour anyway. And even today, like I called my husband, I said, like, look, I want to long this trade. And I said, like, I'm going to add to my position. He said, like, why? I said, I never was so confident like right now in this long trade. And guys, I'm not going to lie. Right now, when I long this trade, I said, like, it's going to be win trade 101%. I said also to my husband, if it's going to fail, this means something wrong with market, not me. I was extremely confident, and I'm going to show you right now. I even add to my position. Like, initially I entered with 10 micros, but ended up to trade, micro, 15 micros. I had 2 micros left for my final target, but my runner stopped. So I entered pretty much at nice spot. I added over here. I closed 2R. As you can see, 2R was, I always close at 2R. 7 micros off was here. My not final, but next target was at this level. So I closed another 6 micros. 2 micros left, and my final target was buy side. So 2 micros was stopped in profit. I just moved, like, I was trailing my stop loss, like, to swing low, and then went to my TP. But I was so confident. I made $600 in this trade on my straight to funded accounts. But it's just great feeling, guys, because I never felt this before. I really was extremely confident with this trade. And I said to my husband, like, if it's not going to play out, it's going to be crazy. I love to trade pre-market on gold. 99% trades on doing pre-market. Right now I have evaluation, so I will continue trading evaluation, but on NQ. But once I'm funded with on my evaluation, I will switch on gold again. So all funded accounts, I trade anything but not yes and NQ. Then just like retrace down, for example, by the way, to my entry, never broke this low, continue going higher. But I'm not going to, I didn't see another entry, for example, to engage in this trade. Yeah, basically I never was in drawdown in this trade. Nice feeling. Order blocks. Actually, you can watch the video about order blocks and models that I just traded this morning on gold. It's all in one video. Let me send the link. This one. So I'm going to send link, guys, right now. In this video, I covered order blocks. I covered models that I trade on gold. And this video, and this week, I will post a backtest session video, how I trade on gold. Yeah, I said to him, like, it was winning trade. By the way, he said, like, when he came to my office, he said, like, put your stop loss at this swing low. And initially I put, and actually he was right. If I didn't move my stop loss to the swing low, I could get a bit more, but it's 2 micros. Like, it's not a big deal, right? In money, for example, it's not going to be, like, make huge difference. Like, maybe $70 difference. Not a big deal. But guys, oh, I didn't show you. I mean, my husband said, like, put your stop loss at the swing low over here. I said, like, I'm going to move here, but I was wrong with my, like, runners, stop loss for my runner. It's okay. But guys, I sent the link. I'm going to send again. In this video, I explain how I trade this model. So basically exactly this model that executed on gold, how to put your stop loss, how to put your TP, where to take partial, and so on. And how to pick right OB. On 5-minute chart, it's really trying to close. I think it's going to be maybe distortion for a little bit because market is going to wait for earning after market close. So I guess it's going to be just a bit choppy right now. Scale. But once again, I bought my funded futures with 33% off to trade NQ just to see, because I'm just trying to backtest NQ to improve my bias, my entries. So evaluation is nice to practice this. I don't trade them at all. So it's better to have, because when I practice something and I didn't have evaluation, I practice this on funded accounts. And right now I have evaluation. That's nice. At least I can practice on in trading in Q on evaluation accounts. $10.06. Gold or NQ? I guess NQ. Let me see. Oh, trail your stop loss at this swing low. Where's your stop loss right now? This one, like, okay, because it's like distortion low, but it's not safe. I mean, you can close if you want. I mean, I cannot say, like, I cannot give you financial advices, right? But you can actually close, put your stop loss at this swing low. I mean, like, you need to check, depends on plan. I trade like on funded, my funded futures, like 10, 7, 10 micros. I didn't have problem. I'm not sure about scale yet. I need to check this. But I guess you're good to trade 10 micros. Nothing wrong with this. Gold, inside OT right now, yeah. Yeah, I sent, like, watch this video once again. You will understand what I choose for order block. Why I'm so bullish, by the way, from the very beginning. When you'll be going, I mean, what is vacation with 2 kids? Let me Google this. What is vacation? What are you talking about? It's going to be day off on Monday because of Labor Day. Maybe I will go to Miami with my family, but I don't know. Maybe Orlando. From September 1st, I will stream PM session and AM session. PM from 1 to 2:30. PM, New York time. From next week. Yeah, maybe I will do better on NQ in September because summer was quite choppy. But as Michael said, September will be better. Let's see. Yeah, it's distortion right now. But still trying to dispute breaker block, so that's okay, I guess. OB. Yeah, it's still bullish, so nothing changed. I didn't watch like new videos from ICT. But yeah, for example, it's good to refresh in your memory core content. It's crazy slow right now. Yes, I do use this. I have another, like, all indicators on my other screens. I just want to keep my main chart like clean, so don't want to show you like lots of levels on my chart. Oh, come on, Michael. Be nice. My birthday was on July 8th. Well, it's slow, becoming slow. Okay, guys, tomorrow, once again, I'm going to remind you, I will do a straight to funded accounts giveaway from TradingView. 25K straight to funded accounts for giveaway. So, guys, I hope you're going to enjoy this. Yeah, let's do giveaway tomorrow. Finally, because I was wondering if I need to do like my funded futures or TradingView. Let's do TradingView straight to funded. Colors. Yeah, before I leave, I'm going to answer like basic questions about colors if you would like, guys. Here's the colors for background. Yeah, gold, nice move. I like it. Here's green color. I was trying to pick like soft colors, you know. And here's gray color. Anything else is black. And here's gray color. This one is black. So, guys, once again, tomorrow I will do giveaways straight to funded accounts for giveaway. So, hope you're going to enjoy this. And, guys, I will see you tomorrow morning around like 8:40. You know, I had the problem yesterday with internet, so I was trying to figure out if I'm going to be good today. I was trying to do like test stream. Because it's soft color. I call this like soft colors. Yeah. I spent like 20 minutes to figure out which green I would like to have or gray color. So I would ask as well. Yeah, exactly. So, guys, I will see you tomorrow morning for a giveaway. Don't make stupid mistakes. It's consolidation, guys. You don't want to be part of this consolidation, right? Come back after lunch, close your charts, take a break, and come back for PM session for maybe for lunch trades. I don't see any reason right now to consider any trades. Just for now, you need to get like break below consolidation or above consolidation to consider the trade. I will check email just right now. Okay. Why cannot unlock this? Oh, okay. Okay. Guys, I will see you tomorrow. Once again, don't make stupid mistakes. Wait for the break consolidation low or consolidation high to consider any trades. Yeah, guys, perfect. Wish you perfect the rest of the day. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.